Look at these beautiful little dogs. Look at these beautiful little dogs. They're coming to say hello because they've got treats. And I think everything's going to work out. The really nice Austrian guy who's been feeding them, and the Greek hunter who comes to see them, told the vet, Dana, who's a tidy bit of goods, I can tell you. I went to see her this morning to ask if anybody wanted puppies. And she said she knew all about them, but she didn't tell me that she'd been out here yesterday at her own expense, giving them their shots. Isn't that marvellous? Right, we're having treats, aren't we? The German guy gives them so much to eat. They're not going to die of hunger. And I think somebody will have them. Because they're lovely, aren't you? Look at you all. Look at you. Look at you. Look at that waggy tail. You're my favourite. Yes, you are. You're my favourite. Look at that. And look at the poor little cave that they live in. They live in that cave. Right then, we're having treats now. Beep.